How do I upload a picture to my Discord profile?
Hello everyone. In this tutorial we'll be covering how to upload a profile picture on Discord. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to freshen up your profile, this guide will walk you through the process step by step.
What do you need before starting?
Before you start, make sure you have the following. 1. A Discord account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free at the official Discord website. 2. The Discord application installed on your device. 3. The image you want to use as your profile picture. Make sure it's appropriate and follows Discord's community guidelines.
How to open your user settings.
The first step to changing your profile picture is accessing your user settings. Follow the steps below. 1. Open your Discord application. 2. Look for your avatar in the bottom left corner of the screen. It's right next to your username and discriminator, the number tag number 0000. 3. Click on your avatar. This will open up the user settings.
How to change your profile picture.
Once you're in the user settings, you're just a few clicks away from changing your profile picture. 1. In the user settings menu, look for the My Account section. It's usually at the top of the menu. 2. Under the My Account section, you'll see your current profile picture or a default avatar if you've never changed it. Next to it, there's an Edit button. Click on it. 3. A new window will open where you can change your profile picture. Click on Change Avatar. 4. Browse your device's files and select the image you want to use as your profile picture. 5. Once you've selected the image, you'll have the chance to crop and adjust it to your liking. 6. After you've adjusted the image, click on Apply to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a picture to your Discord profile. It's a quick and easy way to personalize your account and make your interactions more unique. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Until next time, happy Discording!